Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we're looking at the analysis on the currency pair, EUR USD, and first we'll be talking about fundamental analysis before we move right down to technical analysis, which is purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. Now, of course, we can say that EUR USD has been on a decent form of an upward trend. And a continuation is actually looking as today we've seen that the US dollar forecast is expected to weaken in 2024 with anticipated Fed rate cuts. Now, this of course could mean that a much more important impetus from the European currency over the United States dollars, and a breakout from 1.08870, which is a very important resistance, and then should be heading to a new zone around 1.09756, which from this end is about 104 to 110 pips from that point, of course, which is good money. That means we are looking for a new opportunity for a buy trade. And this, of course, should last longer than what is really expected. Now, with all this being said and done, we are looking out for more impetus, marking out our resistance at the first given point, and another extension could be at the 1.10287 axis. Of course, good money. This is on our daily time frame, and a breakdown for this on the hourly time frame, 1 hour. We are seeing that this should expect to break from here and then head upwards following the weakening of the USD. And that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair, EUR USD. Now let's move over to the stock markets. Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock markets, we're having a look at Uber. And now the Uber technology company, the motor technology company, Uber Technologies, has demonstrated a significant growth in its third quarter sales results with a notable 25% year-over-year increase in trips. And this has attributed to strategic product enhancement. And the company's financial performance being released on the 7th of November showcased a series of positive developments, including a rise in gross bookings and a strong shift to operational profitability. Now, the ride-hailing giant has reported a gross booking of $35.3 billion for the quarter, marking a 21% increase from the same period last year. And this surge was propelled by a substantial 31% rise in mobility gross and an 18% uptick in delivery gross bookings. The company's revenue followed suit, climbing by 11% to reach $9.3 billion. Now, a particularly striking turnaround was seen in Uber's operations income, which registered at $394 million compared to the previous year loss of $495 million. Now, the net income also painted a positive picture at $221 million, despite facing a net unrealized losses from equity investment revaluation, totaling about $96 million. Elsewhere, we are feeling that the Uber technology company recently had launched task to diversify amid slow revenue growth. Now, Uber Technology recently launched a new pilot program called Uber Tax, aimed at diversifying its business model in the face of its slowest revenue growth in recent years. Now, all this should be expecting for a retracement for the Uber stock market. And we're looking to cover this gap, which is from this point heading up to this latest resistance at 47.62, which from that point is about 27 pips. 21 pips. And probably an extension could be on the highest resistance on the pedestal, which from that point is about 35 to 50 pips from that point, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock market, Uber Technologies. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.